Hey, what's up guys? My name's Curtis. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to build this mega neato tensegrity model. But today, I'm going to show you how to build this super simple squirrel picnic table. Built two of them just so you could see a couple different looks. Let's go on and see how I did it. Now, I've never built a picnic table before, but here's a list of the dimensions and cuts that I used to build these two tiny ones. The orientation for the video on the first one got messed up, so I'm going to demonstrate with number 2. Pretty easy. We're going to start cranking these babies out now. Number 2 is going to be very similar to number 1. These are your legs, cut them to 6 inches, and then cut 23-degree angle in the same direction on both sides. This is going to be your top leg support. This is 3.5 inches at the longest with 23-degree angle going in opposing directions. This is your lower leg support. It's going to be just under 8 inches with 45-degree angles in opposing directions on the bottom. Benches are still 10 inches, tabletop is still 10 inches, but this is 1x4 instead of 1x6. I'm sure there's a lot of different ways that you could build this, but I was going for real quick and easy. $6 in materials, 30 or 40 minutes in labor, nothing fancy at all. Slap it together and put it out there. If you know somebody that would like this, I'd really appreciate you sharing it with them. Also, as always, make sure and pre-drill your holes before you get to putting your fasteners into your wood. Here in just a moment, my brother's going to show you that the squirrel picnic table really does work. Whenever you're building this thing and you're securing your top leg brace right here, make sure and secure it just above the top of your leg so you can have this little gap. That's where you will secure the tabletop too. Let's take a look at some more pictures here before I show you the one that I know you're going to want to see. If you've made it this far, please give me a like or leave me a comment. I'd really love to hear from you. And if you want to be notified about videos that I'm going to be posting in the future, go on and hit that subscribe button because I've got new stuff on the way. And thank you, brother, for this gem right here. I couldn't have done it without you. And thank you guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate your support. I'll see you soon.